Hi guys, COVID-19 lockdown already changed people's lifestyle. People spend more time online right now and then they already get used to it. So I see a new trend is born. This video I'm going to show you what we can do right now. The solution is multilingual content marketing. People will recognize your brand, you can build trust, and having your pages available in different language ensure maximum potential for your site being picked up in searches. Communication in client's language also show that you care. And the most important part is you can save costs. Today I'm going to introduce this plugin to you, Convince Translate. This plugin will translate your WordPress site or WooCommerce over 92 languages instantly. The process is automated. I already registered the account. Okay, I let you have a look here. After I register account, I can select my plan. So you can review their monthly and yearly plan. The yearly they give you some discount. You see this one, for example, the business. If you pay monthly, it's 9 per month. If you pay annually, it's 99. So they already give you 1 month discount there. So let's proceed. I select the free plan first. Okay. You need to copy the API key and then into your dashboard. This one is the API key, and then the language. Let's say just now I already created one test product for you to have a look. Mine is English. Let's say I want to translate to Chinese. Show more option, and then here is the best option of this plugin. Redirect visitor to translator pages automatically based on their browser setting. But this one you need to upgrade your plan. The free plan don't have this. And then you can also hide the their logo. And then here the SEO part, the free plan tag. This plugin will do all the tricks for you. And then for you guys, if you don't know what is free plan tag, this article will tell you the whole story. This is extremely important and very important if you want to rank well. Let's say, for example, this is the code that Google Spider will see. We will not see that. Okay, let's say for example, Google Spider, they will see something like this one, not this one. So this code will show to Google Spider so that to make Google life a little bit easier. So Google knows that this page is in which language. This plugin also allows us to customize the layout. Let's say right now we can preview everything from here. You see this one is American flag, and then English, and then this one is China flag, and then Chinese. And then if you want without flag, you can also do it here. But personally, I will choose the flat one because mostly people, they love their country. So this is another psychology method to convince them. And then you can also choose without text, or if you want to choose the different flat, because this one is they are using the ISO standard. So let's say one country, they have multiple language. If you want to choose the different flag, you can do it from here. And then you can also block pages from the translation. You just need to paste your URL here. Okay, let's preview it live. You see, right now I already have the flag here. The position, you can change it from here. Personally, I like to target the right hand user because majority of the people is using their right hand. So put the flag on the right hand side will be more convenient for them. So let's preview it to translate to Chinese. Okay, you see everything already translated. Looks really good, right? Ni hao, Jingras, everything already translated. And then you see this one, all the content already translated for you, including all the category of the product. And then the 标签 is in English is tag. You see all the tag already translated there for you. So this plugin is very very powerful. It's everything already done for you automatically, and then you can just log into your account. Let me refresh my page. Okay, you see the total words translated already. I have a limit of 2005, and then right now I already use 402. And then one thing I would like to highlight is actually is here my translation. You see this one, the plugin will detect when your user visited which page, and then from which language to which language, and then the total words and then the total view. One more thing I would like to highlight is the text editor. I just click on it to for you to have a look. Let's say this one, for my case, you see this one, because I have a brand here, brand 1 up to brand 8. So what I need to do is I use the search function here. You see this one is brand 2. Brand 2, the machine still translate as a brand 2. Let's say this one brand 2, I want to enter my own words. I can click on the custom, and then I just enter my own Chinese word there. And then if you don't want to do this, or if you do not have time, you can also order the pro services. They will have someone to do it for you. This so overall this plugin is really really good, but from my personal point of view. Okay, maybe you guys have a question. This plugin, the free version, only allow you to have, okay, let me show you my account. You see 2005 word 2500 words, and then right now one click I already use 20%, and then I need to upgrade the brand, right? So this one, like for example, if I need more words, I need to upgrade to the Pro or the Pro Plus or the Enterprise. So you guys may think that this is too costly for you, but from my humble opinion, actually this is not, because this plugin, just now I already show you that already have the blog pages function. Let's say this one, I only want this product page to translate into Chinese. So I have an option here. Let's say I show you the fresh meat category. I mean other product. I just need to copy the URL, and then to exclude them from the translation, so that when the visitor, let's say they land on this product, the flag will be automatically disappear. So this is a cost saving solution for you. Another thing I would like to highlight is okay, let me show you an example. Buy house. Right now, people the advertiser bid and average $1.58 to get their address here. If you bid lower than that, and then your address will show in second page, and then you get 0 leads. If you bid higher than this, you will show in the top position, but you pay more. So this plugin actually is the exact match concept. When someone, let's say I land on this page is in English, and then my English level is not very good, and then you have an option for me to translate into my local language, let's say Chinese. And then if I click this button, that means that I am interested in this product, and then the chances that I buy your product is very very high. So this is cost per click. When they click it, the plugin will do the tricks for you, will do all the translation for you, and then of course you need to pay for the translation fees. And then if they do not click it, you don't have to pay. So from my humble opinion, you have nothing to lose. Let me show you another example, and then you will understand better. Okay, let's say life insurance. You see this one. People pay up to 80 USD per click. If have an address here, and then people first life insurance, and then click and then go into your site, you have to pay $80. So the fees here it depends on your business model. I think it is worth it. Yeah, even though this one is 200k words will cost you 319 per year. I think it's okay. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you guys.